Thank you, sir, for such a wonderful presentation. But before I start my today's presentation, I would like to give you guys to give a big round of applause to our Indian women's cricket team. Rising, we have space which everyone thought is unachievable target and which we all do in our day-to-day lives as a businessman. So I'll start my presentation. I would not bore you too much with technical details, but how it can apply and improve your life. So sir, thank you for the introduction. As you rightly mentioned, my father started this company 30 years back. He left his well-paid job in ISRO and wanted to do something of his own and started in a small room with 3 employees and built an empire. So 30 years, we have done more than 300 hotel projects, which converts to 10,000 plus rooms and 200,000 live controllers in the market right now. And we're proud to say we do it from Kolhapur. So I'm sure you guys are aware of automation systems, home automation systems. General automation systems are wired automation systems. If you see here, you have a centralized controller. Then you have to bring all the wires from every light point to your centralized controller. Then break the walls to your switches, and once you put those switches, you can never change its position. So this is very time consuming, complex process which no homeowner wants to do. If I tell you you have to spend 1,000 more rupees to buy 2,000 rupees extra switch, you would not do it, right? This is your regular switches. In your regular switches also you have to do lot of labor. If we take an example of this switch right here, you have to bring all the wires down to the switch, break the walls, conduiting, chipping. It's a very dirty process. Compared to both these systems, here is a true wireless automation solution. In this, your switches do not need any metal boxes, wiring, conduiting, cabling. If you see, I'm controlling the lights which are kept in front through here. So this is the flexibility. I can hold it in my hand. I can put it on the table. I can put it on the glass wall. Tomorrow I feel, oh, I don't need it here. I'll change its position. If I say today I need 4 buttons, 5 years down the line I say, oh, I need a 8 button panel. You can easily do it. Through here also you can control it. So you can control lights from 1,000 switches, or you can control 1,000 lights through one switch. The flexibility is yours. A quick techno-commercial comparative. I would not go in detail, but you would say you're saving up to 70% of cost with your wireless automation solution. Not just cost, but you're giving a huge flexibility to yourself, which is very important for a house. As you know, we do not renovate or we do not restructure our house every 2-3 years. But our requirements do change. So what does a Gladiance ecosystem consist of? We have smart switches, which you can see in front of you, smart controllers which are placed there, sensors as well as in mobile application to control all your appliances through your phone. A Sony smart switch. So these are our go-to products. It takes hardly 2 minutes for installation. Any local electrician should be able to do it very easily. It does not need any wiring, conduiting, cabling. It has a long lasting battery which goes up to 3 to 4 years, and even it will give you a low battery indication, say when it is at 20%. At 20% also that switch would go for another year. So it's never do or die situation for you or in your house. So this is a series. We have thermostat, 8 button panel, 4 button panel, a keycard panel which is required in hotel industry for energy saver, a socket, bell with display for displaying privacy service in hotel industry, 6 button panel, 2 button bell panel, as well as USB socket which is for the fast charging, 20-watt charger it consists of. Apart from Silney, we have a Silney Pro series, which is a completely customizable smart switch you can make. Your color, your finish, your vision will implement it and will execute it. So these are few of the samples. I would request you to come and see it once the presentation is done. Hopefully with help of Ashish sir, we can add more colors to this as they have a huge variety of colors. Smart light controller. So in an automation system, smart light controllers are the brain of an automation system. So whatever input you give from your smart switch or your phone, your controllers are executing that command. So controllers, we have all the possible applications we can use these controllers. Lights, dimmable, tunable lights, RGB lights, air conditioning, fans, curtains, pails, as well as gates, which we are coordinating with Ramakant sir for gate automation. Now another important part is the sensors, where you have temperature sensor, light sensors, door sensors, motion and occupancy sensors, as well as air quality sensors. So you never have to walk into a dark room. Whenever you walk in with style, as the lights will always be blown up in that particular area. And Gladiance app to control everything through your phone, whether you are in your house in Kolhapur or you are in US chilling on the beach. This is a typical system architecture. Your panels are communicating with controller through Bluetooth low energy, and you're controlling your lights and fans again through your phone through Wi-Fi. So in this case, if there is no Wi-Fi or internet in your house, the automation system still works. So it is not dependent on external environment. In middle, we all remember government stopped the internet for 2 days because of some riots. In this case, no worries. It does not depend on external environment. Why Gladiance? Right? Again, it's a future-proof technology. We have a 30 years of proven track record with us of providing the best-in-class automation solution. 20 years assured product support, which is 3 times the industry standard. And again, proudly designed and manufactured in India, Kolhapur. That's all about it. Please, happy to. A small request, I would request you to connect me with interior designers, architects. These are my go-to contacts. Consultants are also appreciated, builders, and these are the same giveaways from my side. So I can connect you with all of these people. Recently, Diwali, after Diwali, it was a good Diwali celebration for us, as we booked around 50 lakh rupees order in this week. We are looking at around 22 lakhs in coming weeks. And in all of these projects, I have already pitched all the BNI members because I've handed over the roster sheets to them. So you will expect a call from all of these people.